Hey folks, Jason here, Jason Shaw Auto. Don't mind a little blood on my face. That's from working on this damn car. Actually, so I'm going to, there's not one thing on YouTube showing you how to do this fix, and everybody has the same problem. It's horrible. Anyways, I'm not going to bore you guys with anything, so I went ahead, pulled the screw out of the big white wheel. Here's the problem right here. This is the problem. So this is the way they go, just like that kind of deal. That one broke off. So what you will do, you'll go ahead and you'll pull the cluster out. It's only a few bolts here, 2 bolts way down in here. You got to put your steering wheel way down. It took me forever to figure this out, but a lot of people are saying you got to pull the whole dash out. Chev dealers saying the same, and I'm not into pulling the whole dash out when I could see the cog. Okay, so if you see that big white cog in there, all I done was I stuck one hand in this side, this hole here. I stuck another hand in this hole here. Well, after you take the screw out of the center of that, there's a little tab. So I used my left hand to squeeze the tab, and I used my right hand on this side to just pull that wheel back. And when I pulled the wheel back, I had found that part. The other part was laying on the floor. The small part, but the big part was laying was on its axis in there, like this, and they connect to that little white cog in there. And then when that motor turns, this guy is going to turn the white cog to defrost, whatever. This is the new revamped Chev one right here. I'll give you a part number for it. The part number is, because this is a common problem. This should have been a recall. It is a safety issue. Totally should have been a recall. The part number is, I actually got 2. One, let's have a look here. Open this bag. 132633335 GM part number. So all I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take this guy, I'm gonna put it back in, I'm gonna put everything together, and I'm gonna keep cycling everything, making sure everything works. And yeah, that's it. I hope I could save you guys $1,000 at the dealership.